On the waitlist page, Glimpse gives you two routes. The first route is free early access. This route requires a trading account UID linked to Glimpse. That means the exchange has to see the account under the Glimpse code. The cleanest path is creating a new 2-bit or Bybit trading account through the Glimpse link first. If you already have an exchange account, continue only if that exchange can. Attach the Glimpse code to that UID. The second route is paid plan notification. This route does not ask you to create a trading account today. It saves your details so Glimpse can email you when paid access opens. Later, live trading would still need a supported exchange account, KYC where required, futures access where available, and a trade-only API key. So the choice is simple. If you want the free access path, start with an eligible linked UID. If you're not ready to create or link an exchange account, use paid plan notification instead.